name is Ricky Ford. I am the founder of Gentle Ben Spirits. It all started with my father's technology. My father created this simple aeration device. One day I was at his house and it was in his garage. And I looked up and said, "What are you going to do with this?" And he said, "Nothing." And I said, "Well, let's go figure out why it makes alcohol smoother." It got me to thinking that there's got to be a better way to take the harshness out of a distilled spirit. And so I took this device up to Texas A&M where I was introduced to Dr. Ben Mosier. And when I took this device to Dr. Mosier, I asked him if he could help me figure out why it was making the alcohol taste different. So that led us on this research program. Dr. Mosier was really what I call the brains behind the science. He was the one that had the insight to the next addition to the technology that we wanted to employ. So we started out with something very simple and we ended up with something that was much more complex than what we had originally started with. By using the technology on Gentle Ben, we're able to remove the offensive alcohols that cause that all too familiar burn and the harshness.
It's incredible what it can do to be able to reach in, take out those harsh flavors and impurities, get all the noise out of the way, and be able to let the flavors of that distillate shine through. It's unlike anything else that's out there available on the market.
Traditional distillation and filtration, the longer and more times you distill a product, the cleaner you get it. Gentle Ben doesn't have to distill or filter any further. We use the patented technology to make it an ultra premium experience while only using 10% of the energy that's required through traditional distillation.
Gentle Ben is for anybody who wants to sit down with some family or friends and celebrate the big wins, celebrate the small wins, and enjoy having a good time and being together.
I would like for you to come in and enjoy a Gentle Ben Spirit with me in the tasting room.